In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automatic tax calculations in your Wix dashboard. This process is essential for any online store owner using Wix and will help ensure your business runs smoothly by handling sales taxes efficiently. We'll walk through the steps together so you'll feel confident doing it on your own. First, we're going to start by logging into your Wix dashboard. To do this, open the Google Chrome browser on your computer. If you aren't already familiar, your dashboard is the control center for your Wix site, where you can manage everything from design to backend settings. Navigate to the Wix website and click on Login at the top right corner. Enter your email and password associated with your Wix account, and click Login once more to access your dashboard. Once you're in your Wix dashboard, look at the left-hand side of your screen for a panel filled with options. This side panel is your gateway to managing different aspects of your site. There you'll see an option labeled Settings. Click on Settings to open a page with a myriad of settings you can adjust. It's like your toolbox for configuring everything, including taxes. From the Settings menu, you'll want to focus your attention on the Taxes section. Scroll down if needed until you find a section specifically marked Taxes and click on it to proceed. This section is specifically dedicated to managing how taxes are applied to your transactions. Next, we'll enable automatic tax calculation. Enabling this feature is a lifesaver because it means Wix will automatically calculate the correct sales tax for each order based on the customer's location. On the taxes page, look for a toggle or switch that mentions automatic tax calculation and click on it to enable the feature. Make sure the toggle confirms it's turned on, indicating that this helpful feature is now activated. With automatic tax calculation enabled, we need to provide your business location and applicable tax regions. This information is crucial as it ensures the correct tax percentages are applied depending on where your customers are located. Start by entering your business location accurately. This means the city, state, and zip code where your business is registered. You might also need to select additional regions where you have tax obligations. Make sure to double check these details for accuracy as they directly influence your tax calculations. Finally, once you're confident that all the settings are correct, click on the Save button. This crucial step ensures that all the changes you've made are applied to your Wix store. Saving these settings means your store is now primed to handle taxes accurately, saving you from potential legal headaches down the line. With these steps completed, your online store is all set to automatically manage sales taxes, allowing you to focus more on growing your business. As you move forward with your store, remember to periodically check this setting, especially if your business location or the regions you sell to change. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!